Barbie Room decoration. Alright, let's jump right in. Take a look at this Barbie-themed room. What if I told you that creating intricate decorations could be a breeze with the new Generative Fill feature in Adobe Photoshop 2024? Let me show you how. The Generative Fill option is a game changer. It allows you to automatically generate content based on the existing elements in your image, perfect for adding intricate details or filling in spaces seamlessly. Let's start by enhancing the Barbie room. I'll select the Generative Fill tool and watch as Photoshop intelligently analyzes the room, creating stunning Barbie-themed decorations. The level of detail and creativity it brings is truly mind-blowing. But wait, there's more. The Generative Fill feature isn't just about automation, it's about giving you control. You can customize the generated content to suit your vision. From colors to patterns, the possibilities are endless. One of the most significant advantages of Generative Fill is the time it saves. Imagine manually creating each of these Barbie decorations. With the Generative Fill option, it's done in a fraction of the time, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your creativity. And there you have it, a beautifully decorated Barbie room, brought to life with the power of Generative Fill. This is just one example of how this feature can elevate your design projects to new heights. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Generative Fill option in Adobe Photoshop 2024. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you create using this incredible tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy creating! Drop your suggestions in the comments below, and let's craft something extraordinary together.